Alex is experimenting with Python strings. He writes a simple program. Everything looks correct, so he clicks run. But Python shows an error. This error is called an attribute error, and it means you are trying to use a method or attribute that does not exist for that object. Think of it like this: Alex owns a bicycle. A bicycle can be ridden but cannot fly. If Alex tried to use a flying button on a bicycle, it simply does not exist. Python feels the same way. In this example, name is a string. Strings support certain methods, but append is not one of them. The append method belongs to list, not string. Now, append works correctly. Another common example happens because of spelling mistakes. Python cannot find a method called uppercase. The correct method is upper, not uppercase. Attribute error is also common when working with libraries. Sometimes a tutorial uses a method that existed in an older version, but your installed version no longer supports it. Python then raises attribute error. Whenever you see attribute error, check these things. Are you using the correct object type? Does that method actually belongs to that object? Is the method name spelled correctly? Most attribute errors are solved by checking these three things. Alex checks the object type, uses the correct method, and the program works perfectly. Problem solved.